minivans always put on a good show. This is a fun class. If you see the SUVs out there, they are rear-wheel drive only. They are not allowed to be in four-wheel drive, so it is always a two-wheel drive class. The 612 is in first. Ashton Smith in the black 612. There's the half pint. Jesse Cipra in that white half pint. The third one in line looks like a blue one. They're trying to get it fired, and it is not firing at the moment. The green one is coming up next. Jonathan Kozar in that 102. The green and white machine. Then we have the 904, Joe Boyle in that 904, the first yellow one, followed by Tyler Gill right there in the 420, Tyler Gill in the 420. And following Tyler, we have the number 66 of Bob Lewis. The Chubby sponsored car, Bob Lewis in the 66. And the Water Dog, H2O right there. The Water Dog, Jeremy Roper. The number 17, Ted Kiskadden in that black 17. That might be our only pickup truck. And Nick Young in that 101. So we got one car over there not able to fire. That's the double X of Pork. We'll see if Pork is able to get it fired up. They're working on it. I see him thrashing under the hood. You got 5 guys around the hood of that car trying to get them fired up. So right now, 9 cars in the competition arena. Nine Action Automobiles are with us this afternoon. I believe they made the call to go, so we're gonna go. So these are the 9 we're gonna roll with. As soon as we see greens on the corners, I see greens. Your turn upstairs. Start them out at 5. Here we go, suicide start, we're underway. Uh-oh. Really? Everybody's swinging and missing. That will round the red flag immediately as the number 17 has got it on its side. That is Shippensville, PA's Ted Kiskadden in the number 17. So as soon as they flip him over and make sure we don't have a fuel leak or anything like that, believe it or not, we'll let him continue if he wants to continue. So it's really up to him. If it's safe and he wants to keep going, he can keep going. Put your hands together right there, Ted Kiskadden. Hanging in there. I think that's a Ford truck down there. Not surprising to see the Ford on its side.
Motor came off for the driver's door hit.
I know, right? I have nothing against the Ford guys. If you have a Ford, I'm sorry. I know. Ford actually makes a pretty good piece. Obviously, that thing's going to start right back up, and he's going to keep playing. So, that'll show you the strength and durability of the equipment. All right now, I'm not seeing any sticks down, so I think everybody's still in competition. Well, once they go green, we'll be back in... We'll be back and ready to go once they're ready, and now he is not able to fire it up. It won't start. The word is it won't start. So anyway, yeah, put it together for him. Put your paws together right there. He wanted to go. It just won't start. Ted Kiskadden, tough way to go out. Hey, you got the highlight reel. DVD's $10. You get yourself a copy of what just happened. He made the highlight reel. Take your time. All right, green flag's out. Here we go. We're back underway. We've lost one. The Water Dog is on the clock with the H2O over there on the wall. Everybody else is still in competition. I think the 612 might be out as well. He's not running. He's stuffed over here on the right-hand side of your screen. And here comes Zipper in the half pint. Jesse Zipper in that half pint comes to a number of our shows, not afraid to use either side of that vehicle. And time has expired on the H2O. The water dog is out. So we're down to 6 action automobiles left. They're all down on the right-hand side. Little cluster. The 102 is on the clock. He got hit. I hear it running. He's got the wheels turning, but they're not actually spinning. So I'm not sure he'll be able to continue. He has 1 minute to get a gear and get it to move and hit something. Same rules apply. The top 3 get money, the top 3 get paid, the top 3 get the trophy. A lot of these guys don't even care about the money. It's more about the trophy. They are some of the best trophies in the business here at Derby Dog. And it looks like the 102 is just about out of time. So I think we're going to be down to 5 in just about a moment. And the 102 is officially out. So we are down to 5. So we have Jesse Zipper on the half pint, Tyler Gill in the 420, Joe Boyle in that 904, Nick Young in the 101, and Bob Lewis in the number 66. Tyler Gill. And here comes another one from Boyle. He got him in the door. The passenger side of the 66 car is pretty much pancaked. And the half pint trying to go. He's got is stuck in a hole there for a second. You'll see he's got the back of the car folded up there. The rear wheels are not turning on the half pint, so he's got to use the front of it now. And water pouring out of the number 66 car. So you'll see the magic smoke in a second. So Bob Lewis in that 66 now spewing fluid all over the right-hand side of your screen. Here comes Tyler Gill. Another good hit. You'll see steam coming out of the half pint, steam coming out of Nick Young. Bob Lewis has already lost his water. A little bit of steam coming there. Tyler Gill still looking pretty healthy. And now Boyle, you'll see the right front tire of the Boyle car is basically just about come off. I don't know if he's pulled the axle out on that or not, or he may have lost drive with that. Might just be a collapsed strut. Just got pushed back in, see if he can keep going. And there goes another one. So, I think everybody except Tyler has had the magic smoke. So you've got Bob Lewis in that 66, Tyler Gill in the 420, Cipra in the half plank, and Nick Young in the 101. So we're down to 4, you're on the bubble, 1 away from the money. Temporarily stalled, gets it refired. And it stalls once again. So the 420 being put on the clock. He has 1 minute to get it refired, get it moving, go hit something. So Bob Lewis will leave him be. We'll go down there, and Tyler gets it fired up. So we're still at 4. Now here's the thing with Tyler, he's got it running, but he's got to get down there and hit something. Trying to steer his way through. He has done that. We are back to 4 cars. Here comes Jesse Cipra in the half point, the white one. Gill, the 420 has stalled once again. So the 420 is not running at the moment. Gives him a brand new 1 minute. Looks like Cipra in the half plank might be stuck. And he gets it unstuck. Tyler Gill got it fired back up. Gets back into competition. And now the half plank. Looks like he might have been stuck again. Not so good when your rear wheels don't move. So the half plane has a minute to go hit something. So I'm not hearing a whole lot of anything down there. So right now we have, it looks like the 101 is the only car running at the moment. Half-Pines is running. Can he get it to move? Time has expired. So Half-Pine is out. And I think that's going to do it.